Oh my gosh, I am so excited. My very first peel and stick wallpaper pattern order from Spoonflower has arrived. These are 3 designs that I created for Spoonflower. Here's the first one. It's an Art Deco and it is styled with a gold motif. And it's done so that it looks like it's gold, but it's not actually imprinted with gold. And it is a peel and stick wallpaper. They have a few different kinds, like they've pasted and non-pasted, but I love this because it makes it super simple. So if you have a small area and you want to do more of an Art Deco design, consider my Art Deco Spoonflower patterns. You can find them on spoonflower.com, Clever Toolbox shop. So we have this one, Art Deco. The next one is honeycomb inspired, but I did this one with, again, that same gold, but it's actually printed. And then the last one, this is inspired from my teenage athlete. I'm a crew mom, so I spend a lot of time cheering my daughter on at her regattas. We've got the coxswain going, nope, needs to be the other way. Coxswain facing forward, rowers backwards. So here we have the Midnight Crew pattern, and I absolutely adore this one. I will probably have in the next month or so about 3 or 4 more crew designs going up on my Spoonflower. So if you are into rowing and you are looking to decorate your boathouse, come check out my Midnight Crew pattern, which is available on Spoonflower.